Wheeler, and I am doing Introduction to Geometry with Kindergarten. And we're going to start out with a square, and as you can see, it's 2D. It's only got 2 dimensions to it. It's not 3D. It doesn't stand up. But I'm going to show you how a square and a cube are similar and how they are different. We're going to start out by putting 4 pretzels in the marshmallows, and then attaching marshmallows to the top. Now we connect each of the marshmallows together to make what we call a cube. And as you can see, since I'm almost done, and now we see that a square and a cube are similar because they are both made up of squares, but this one is made up of 1 square and this one is made up of 6 squares. And this is called a cube. And it's also 3-dimensional. Now we're going to make another one, another shape that is 3D and geometric, that starts out with a square base, just like our cube, and that is a pyramid. And the way we do that is we stick 4 pretzels into the square, just like with a cube, only this time we connect each one of them here in the middle with 1 marshmallow. And now we have got a pyramid with a square base that looks almost like our cube. See how each of them have a square base? And now we're going to switch bases. We're going to do shape with a triangle base. And now to make this 3D object with our triangle base, we are going to stick 3 pretzels in the top of the marshmallows. And again, like our pyramid, we're going to connect each pretzel to 1 marshmallow. And now we can see, and this is called a prism. And we can see it has a triangle base, and it is 3D. It's got triangles on all sides, where this one has just got the one side. And the triangle is made up of 1 triangle, and the prism is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. And now I'm going to explain to you how a pyramid and a prism are different. As you can see, the prism, like I said, has a triangle base, but the pyramid, has a square base, as you can see. Square base and square base. So that is how our prism and our pyramid differ. And now the last shape we're going to make is a rectangle. And we are going to make that using the square base and using our cube that we made earlier. And we are going to do that by connecting pretzels to the other side of our marshmallow and extending our cube out to make a rectangle. So right now, this is a cube. And now we put 4 on the sides. And now we've made it a little bit longer. And now we start connecting. Uh-oh, I broke one. And now we connect each of our marshmallows to the pretzels, just like we did before to make our cube. Now I've got to connect a couple more. And now, after I connect one more pretzel, our cube is no longer a cube. And that is because it does not have all equal sides. Now, our cube has become a rectangle. But as you can see, we still have our same square base. We just doubled it. And so now I have shown you how to make 4 objects, or 4 geometric shapes, using a square base and a triangle base. And also, to end, I would like to say that I would only do this project either after lunchtime or right before snack time, so that way the students will have something for their snack, and since it's after lunch, the students will have food in their bellies and they won't be hungry during our activity.